everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So as you guys know that I went to a staycation at Radisson in Radisson Blue. As promised, in this vlog I'm going to give you my room tour and the hotel tour as well. As in my previous vlog, I've already mentioned that Radisson Blue is a 4-star hotel and it's located in Ras Al Khaimah at Al Marjan Island. The only drawback of this hotel is the given parking area for the visitors and guests. And because of less given parking space, visitors have to park their car outside the hotel. Other given facilities at the hotel are excellent and outstanding. So on the right side you can see the main entrance to the hotel lobby, where your booking and reservation procedures will be done. And weather these days anyway is getting better day by day. It's not very hot, it's getting pleasant. As you can already see, it's very windy. And after getting done with all the booking process, now we are going to our room. So this is the main entrance to the area where all the rooms are located. The atmosphere and the vibe of this hotel was very good. And yes, here we are going towards our room. The best part is there are a lot of elevators available all the time, so you don't have to wait and you can get to your floor instantly. So from the corridors, these are the views of Radisson Blue. And yes, that's the Al Marjan Hotel. This island is still in construction process. And yes, I'll show you the view of other side as well. And this is the amazing view of both the sides while going towards our room. And yes, here starts the room tour. So we were given room 741. So as you enter the room, on right side you can see a full mirror where you can have your selfies, see full view of your dress. And on the left side you can see this neat and clean washroom. Here you can find all toiletries and towels for your stay. Bathrobes and room slippers are not included in it. If you are visiting this hotel, make sure to take your bathrobe and room slippers with you. And now going towards the room, firstly you will find this luggage keeping rack where you can keep all your luggage. On the right side you will see this big cupboard, and in that you will find this mini coffee area and a room fridge. Next to the cupboard we have this little dressing area and a TV. And on the left side you can see bed and a little relaxing area where that sofa is kept. You can just sit there, eat and relax while enjoying the view outside. Everything at this hotel was very nice, neat and clean. And the thing that I loved the most is this view from our balcony. So calm and quiet, it was superbly amazing. And the view at night is just so beautiful. And yes, now let's take you outside and show you the view of this beautiful place from our balcony. And yes, here it is. Down there you can see a kids pool, and on the top you can see an adult pool. I will give you a view of that later in the vlog. After keeping our luggage and relaxing, now we are going at the beach. So yes, this is the beach area of Radisson Blue, and there are a lot of fun activities available as well. They have provided a little volleyball area. Here you can sit and relax, enjoy the view of sea, sky and much more. So if you are a nature lover, you are totally going to love this vibrant place. People were swimming, jet skiing and enjoying their time. And yes, weather is getting good in UAE day by day, so you can definitely book this hotel if you want fun activities, exploring and enjoying. And here it's me sitting, relaxing and enjoying. And let me tell you that the pool and beach activities starts at 8 a.m. in the morning and gets closed by 7 p.m. in the evening. After that, the doors are shut and you are not allowed to go to the pool or beach area. And yes, here you can enjoy a beautiful view of sunset. Here you can see all the activities that you can have at this beach. After relaxing at the beach, we came back to the room, watched movie and enjoyed our time, chit-chatting and relaxing. And at night we thought of going out and explore this hotel, have a good walk and relax. So this is the main kids pool area I was talking about. Here you can see the full view of it. As it was shut, so there was nobody inside. Next to that, they have given this little sitting area. This is the main lobby. On the top there is an adult pool as well. I'll give you a view of that. Before going towards the pool, this is the little sitting area. At night, the view of this island is just so amazing and breathtaking. And this is the main adult pool area. Basically, they have two adult pools, one near to the beach and the second one is this. You can definitely see the view of nearby hotels. So beautiful. The vibe and view of this hotel was excellent too. And yes, this is the backside parking area of the hotel where all the rooms are located. Down there is also available parking area, but the visitors are not allowed to go there. Only the hotel staff can park your car over there. And after exploring the hotel, now we are going on a drive. So here we are taking our car out of the parking area. Me and my husband, we completely love late night drives. As I'm not a morning person at all, I hate waking up early in the morning. But I do completely love the night vibes and the drives. As you can see, the parking is already full and there is no place to park the cars at all. After passing the security check, now we are here out at the Al Marjan Island. I'm going to give you a view of nearby areas as well. Basically, all the popular and well-known hotels are located at this island. So if you want to have a staycation or spend some good time at a hotel with a view, then this island has some best amazing hotels. You can definitely book them online at booking.com or any other online website. And I absolutely love this place, as I already mentioned in my previous vlogs that me and my husband, a lot of memories attached to this place. So we love visiting this island on and off for staycation. And yes, here we are at Alhambra Mall. It's near to Al Marjan Island. You can definitely visit this mall if you are at Al Marjan Island. It's one of the popular malls of Ras Al Khaimah. After parking our car here, we are going in. Basically, it's still in the renovation process. Here Here you can find all the popular brands: Miniso, Splash, Max, Red Tag. So first thing first, we thought of going to the food court area and grab some food for us to eat as we were very hungry. After eating and enjoying our time at the mall, now we are back at the hotel. And this was about it from today's vlog. I hope you like it. If you did, do give a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.